Hello class, my name is Abraham Rivera and this is a little bit about me. This is the presentation, just going to be going over what was the requirements and the extra info at the end. So, hobbies, sports, stuff like that. I'm very into basketball. I keep up to date with the NBA. I know it's kind of crazy right now, quarantine, but it's still going on and I still keep up to date when I can. Anime, same thing. I am on my stuff with anime. I've watched a lot of anime. I've been watching it since I was younger. I think the first anime I watched was Pokemon, obviously, but some people don't count that. So, I grew up on like Beyblade, Bakugan, Yu-Gi-Oh. So that's really where it started, and it just took off from there. So I keep up to date with my anime. Traveling, I love seeing new places. I've been all around the world, and I can't wait to go see more of it or visit back some of the places. It's just a great experience to have, and I think everyone should do it. Shoes. I have a major collection of shoes. I love shoes. I have like 50 pairs. Been to SneakerCon. Love it. Gaming. I don't game as much as I want to, but it is what it is. I don't have enough time, but once in a while, when I'm bored or when I have some downtime, I'll pop in the game and play a little bit. Achievements. FBLA. I was a state officer. FBLA is Future Business of America. Sorry, I kind of mumbled there. But I was in it for junior year and senior year. But sadly, my senior year got cut short, so I never got to live the full experience. But that's besides the point. Dodea champion. I played basketball for my high school in Dodea. Actually, in the picture on the top right, that's my buddy Trey right there. He went to K-Town with me. He's really cool. He's doing college basketball right now. But we won championships, and I think Ramstein had like 5 championships in a row. But yeah, that's kind of crazy. SneakerCon, I consider SneakerCon an accomplishment. Being a young entrepreneur, selling, buying, it's the whole hustle. I love it. I love the atmosphere. I love the community. Volunteer hours. Back in like middle school, we volunteered so much that for the entire army, my family won runner-up of the year for volunteer hours. They flew us out to Washington, D.C., and we got to meet the Secretary of Defense at the time. This is like 2008. So Obama was president. It was pretty good time. Cooking club in Korea. I lived in Korea. Yeah, they had a cooking club in Korea, and I went all the way to regional finals for cooking. I lost, but I still consider it an accomplishment because I was cooking Korean food, and to be in the host country and to keep up with the rest, great, amazing, 10 out of 10. The picture on the top left. Sorry. What I hope to learn, time management. It's something I've been working on over the years. Of course, everyone I feel like is working on it as well, but I just hope to get better at it. I hope to learn more about myself, maybe stuff that I don't know, stuff that I need to work on. It's always good to learn about yourself. College life, how it's like living at college now, expectations, requirements, and just how to get into the swing of things so that way I don't get stressed out so easily. Tips and tricks, it's always good to know a few little tips and tricks around the corner, you know what I mean? Sorry, I thought I wasn't recording for a second, but I am. Tips and tricks, good to know, the know-abouts, the ins and outs, and hopefully I can pick some of that up in this class. A little bit extra info about me. Military. Like I said, my dad was in the military for 28 years. It's a big part of our life. I support the troops. I love them. I love the military. They've done good stuff for my family. And I think it's just a wonderful thing to experience being in the military. And once you get out, the benefits are tremendous. It's great. Dodea, since I am in the military, I've always lived overseas, and I've always been part of the Dodea system, school system. So Dodea is like my family. Dodea is my home. Wherever I go, there's a Dodea kid, a military kid. That's always something that we can always talk about and have in common. Cars, I'm heavily into cars. Most specifically, Japanese cars. Love them. Aesthetic, engineering, it's amazing. My dad used to work on tanks. That's how I got into mechanics and stuff like that. And then cars, I just took off from there. And open-minded. I'm very open-minded. I'm very easygoing. Most of the time, I don't have problems with people. But there's always that one person, right? You know what I'm saying? But I'm very open to everything. I like to learn. I like to learn new ways, and it's just something that will help me improve as a person. So So no, it's very over limit, but please accept this. Thank you guys for listening, and I hope to see you guys in class. Y'all have a good day.